Hi guys, it's your girl Chanel with Living with Chanel, and I am back with another video. So if you haven't been here before, then welcome, and if you have been here before, then it's just, hey sis, welcome back, nice to have you. So today, I know guys, it seems a little bit too early, but I'm a girl that loves the winter and the cold, what can I say? So today we're going to be making a mulled cider. So in the background you can see cinnamon sticks, star anise and nutmeg. We've got some cider, and that's the apple cider from Morrison's. We've got apples and we've got oranges, and the only extra that I did put in there that's not showing is half a cup of honey, just to sweeten it a little. So like I always tell you, grab yourself a cocktail, mocktail, hot drink or any other drink, sit back, relax, and let's get into the video.
About nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in, and I wonder about you, 'cause I can stay till the morning, stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind, 'cause right now we're not together and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Is it too late to feel you? Is it too late to tell you about how much I'm sorry for the things I have done, for the things I never did? But I promise, dear, I'll never let you go. So don't let go, get close to me. Oh, don't let go, get close to me. My body's waiting for you, I know your body's been waiting too. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind, 'cause right now we're not together.
Now all you do is grab your winter mugs, beautifuls, and you just add your mulled cider, and make sure, if you do, it's optional, you can also add a little toops of brandy just to warm your chest up. But that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please remember to give your girl a big thumbs up. So I will see you on the next one. Bye.